Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of east central Hardeman and southwestern McNairy counties through 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 8 miles north of Pocahontas, or 9 miles northwest of Big Hill Pond State Park, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty wind. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 672, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county, Lee, Arkansas, and the following counties, in Mississippi, Benton, Marshall, Tate, and Tunica. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of east central Hardeman and southwestern McNairy counties through 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 8 miles north of Pocahontas, or 9 miles northwest of Big Hill Pond State Park, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts